Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today, you guys are probably tuned in to watch some wipers being changed on Rex, the X1. But before we get to that, I got some new exciting news to share with you guys. So, like I've talked about before, yes, we are going to do it. We are dropping the X1 on springs. It's true. They came in last week. I ordered them on Black Friday. They were a screaming deal. Got them from Essex Distributors out of BC. Super great company to deal with. But smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell if you want to see the X1 get dropped. I'm actually going to measure the wheel wells before we do it as well, so that we have some really good numbers of before and after. We'll do the measurements today, and then we'll drop the X1 and then do final measurements after, and then after about a week or so, once the springs actually settle into place. The next super exciting thing that has taken about 4 weeks to get here is Quinn has got some new plates. That's right. You guys ready? You want to see the reveal of the new plate? Keep watching. I'll show you guys at the end of the video after we get the windshield wipers installed. So, let's start by getting the windshield wipers removed. First things first, rear wiper, lift it out, and then just take this wiper blade and pull towards or out. So you're just pulling towards you. That's the rear one removed. Let's put the new one on. So now, same thing to put back in. You have these two little pivot points, and on the inside you can actually see the grooves, and you just push it back in. Literally push it in. Changed. Let's do this short one first. Push this button in and pull towards you. That's how you remove it. Push this button, pull towards you. The old one's out. That simple. So one of the things about ordering new wiper blades is unless you're going to the dealership to buy OEM, you're going to get different style adapters to work with different style of vehicles. So we know on the old one we need the slide-in type with the actual button. So I know that we need to use this one because it has the button. So then all you have to do is, you can see there's the slot for this slot in the wiper blade. So all you do is just insert it and push down until you hear the click. And now we can go and take this and reinsert it back into the old wiper blade spot. Okay, so I just found that this one actually doesn't completely slide in. You have to push it up and then in. Now it's locked. Let's do the other side, and then we're done changing the windshield wiper blades on the BMW X1. Push the button, pull out, and then hop in, push. There we go. New wiper blades installed. Now I'm gonna be all nice and safe because I'll be able to have a properly clean window now. with all the moisture and everything else we've been getting. If you haven't seen or got an air freshener for your car, visit us on Instagram today, links below. Get your turbo air freshener. Lots in stock, multiple scents. Send us a DM, shoot us a message, drop a comment below. Let me know if you guys have one of these already. If not, get yours today. They also make great stocking stuffers. So for those who know, I do live in Canada, and the weather outside is cold and snowy. And how do we work in the garage in the wintertime? Because I don't have a heater installed. We do everything off this Mr. Heater propane heater. It actually works extremely phenomenal. It keeps it really nice and warm in here. I haven't had that heater running for probably half an hour, and it's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 10 degrees Celsius in the garage, which is comfortable. There you go. Wiper blades are installed. Now you're gonna have a whole bunch of extra adapters from the wiper blades. You can just toss these. You're never gonna use them again. But I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog on how to change your wiper blades. You should change the wiper blades at least once a year. With all the snow and grime and rocks and everything else we get on Calgary streets, it's hard on wiper blades. So change your wiper blades, increase your visibility, and keep your drive safer, because I'd hate to see any of you guys wreck your wonderful machines. But I hope you guys all stuck around for the reveal of the new plates for Quinn. I'm super excited to share the new plates with you guys. I've wanted to do this for quite some time. I just never got around to doing it, but I finally did it. I got them. It was actually a birthday present from my wife, but here are the new plates for Quinn. What do you guys think? I'm super excited to get these on Quinn for next car season. So if you see me cruising around, snap a pic, send me a DM, just send me a message if you see Quinn rolling around next year with the new HQ BMW plates on. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that subscribe button if you want to see the long springs get put into wrecks. And like that, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.